Alright, I sprayed some of the yellow for Bumblebee in the top. These have a little hole in the top up there, so make sure to set them down at an angle. You don't have a mess. But really fast we're going to do this. This stuff dries quick. Alright, I did one more coat of yellow before this too. Shoot. Alright, I don't want to push it. Got a few little brush strokes in there, but hopefully we'll take care of those with the clear coat. Alright, so that's it on that. Starting to get a fly or two in here. I'm going to call it quits. It was alright for a minute. I'm out in the shed. So I just did some clear coats. And the same way we just painted that, I took the clear orange and touched up that corner just barely. You can see it, it's a tad bit darker. I probably touched it up one coat too many times. So if anything, go one less coat than what you think. I just took the tip of the brush and touched it about 3 or 4 coats. Alright, I'm losing battery or memory card space or both, it looks like. I did a clear coat on both sides, or one side of these parts for Bumblebee's leg. And they should be dry now, so I can flip those over, clear coat the other side. And I went ahead and clear coated the trunk lid, which is going to take one more coat. Hopefully I can completely get rid of the orange peel this next coat. So I'm going to hit those parts real quick and probably be back next week with some assembly videos. And in the meantime, I'm going to have to do the chrome trim on this one before the clear coat. So I'm going to figure out what technique I want to use. Chrome pen, silver paint, or bare metal foil, which I hate using. That's what I have out to use though, so we'll see. Alright, till the next one. Thanks for watching, News Family. Peace.